Hello everyone. In today's video, let us see how to find HCF of any given number. So HCF, the full form is highest common factor. For a given set of numbers, okay, you need to find the greatest number that can divide each of them. Okay, and the method that we use is called as prime factorization, which is for the given set of numbers, in order to find the HCF, we will express them as a product of prime numbers. Okay, let us take a question. So the question is find the HCF of 78, 84 and 96. Okay, so let us do prime factorization. The first number is 78. Okay, so which is the smallest prime number, that is a factor of that can divide 78. The first one is 2 because you have 8 in one's place. So let's divide by 2. Okay, so you have 2 threes are 6 and then 2 nines are 18. Okay, the next one. So you can't divide 39 by 2. So the next one is 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 19. And 13 is a prime number. Any prime number will only have two factors, that is 1 and itself. Okay, so I will divide it by 13 and 13 ones are 13. So here we are expressing 78 as a product of prime numbers, which is 2 into 3 into 13. Okay, similarly, let's do it for 84. Okay, which is the prime number, smallest prime number that 84 can that 84 is divisible with. So you have 2. Okay, you can divide it by 2. So 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4. Again you divide it by 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Again you can't divide 21 with 2. So we'll have 3. So 3, it's a factor of 21. 3 sevens are 21. Again 7 is a prime number. So 7 ones are 7. Okay, and so now we can express 84 as a product of prime numbers, which is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, and then last one is 96. Again, let's start with the smallest prime number, 2. You can divide it by 96. So 2 fours are 8 and 2 eights are 16. Again, 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again 2, you have 12. Again 2, you have 6. And then the last one is again 2, 2 threes are 6 and 3 is a prime number. So the last one would be 3. So you'll have to continue doing the prime factorization till you get a 1 here. Okay, everywhere till finally you get a 1, you will go ahead with it. Now, so let us write 96 also as a product of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have 5 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so now here. So, which is nothing but, now what you do is you can just write it in the form of, to the power, okay, in the form of exponent. So it is nothing but 2 into 3 into 13. Okay, here you will have 2 square, right? You have 2 times 2. 2 square into 3 into 7, and here it is 5 times, so you have 2 to the power 5 into 3. Okay, so one way of remembering here is you will have to take, okay, the smallest power of the common factor. Now for example, 2 is a common factor in all three numbers. Okay, take the smallest power. So for the HCF, take the smallest power. So here you have 2 to the power 1. 2 is nothing but 2 to the power 1. Here for 84 you have 2 to the power 2 and here 2 to the power 5. So which is the smallest power? Which is 2 to the power 1. Okay, I'll just write it here. For the next one, okay, again you have 3 to the power 1. Here you have 3 to the power 1 and again you have 3. It's common in all the three numbers. So write it like this. And 13, okay, it's not common in the other two. You don't have 13 as a factor for 84 and 96. So just leave it. So this is the HCF. Okay, the answer is 6. So 6 is the greatest number that can divide all these three numbers. That is 78, 84 and 96. Okay. Let us see another example. Okay, 24, 72 and 96. Let us go ahead to the prime factorization of 24. Okay, similar way. Okay, you have 24 can divide, you can divide it with 2. So 2, 12. Again, 2 6 are 12. Again, 2 3s are 6. And then 3 is a prime number, so 3 1s are 3. Let's do it for the next one. 72. Again, it's divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Again, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, again 2, 9, and then you cannot, 9 is not divisible by 2, so go for 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 is a prime number, so you finish it off with a 1, okay. Go for 96. Again, start with the smallest prime number. 2 4s are 8, and 2 8s are 16. Again, 24, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Again, now let's write it, okay? So 24 is equal to, I'll write it directly. So how many powers you have? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 into 3. Okay, you also have a 3 here. Okay, and then 72 is equal to, you have 1, 2, 3 times, right? 2 cube into 3, you have 2 times, right? 3 square. Okay, the last one. 96 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5. Okay, multiplied by 3. Okay, so now you can see that in all the three numbers you have 2 and 3 as the common factor. So in order to calculate the HCF, okay, or the highest common factor, you have to take the smallest power of each of the common factor. So so in all of these, just see the power. Okay, what is the power? That's the exponent. The lowest is 3, right? 2 3 3 and then 5. So you will just take the smallest power of all the 3, that is 2 to the power 3, and go for the next one. 3 is nothing but 3 to the power 1 and 3 to, which is the smallest power among all the 3? It is 3 to the power 1. Okay, and what is 2 cube? It's 8 into 3, which is, the answer is 24. 24 is the HCF of the three numbers. Okay, hope you understood. Just remember, do the prime factorization, find out the common factors, and take only the lowest power of each of the common factor. Yeah, I hope you understood. We'll see LCM in the next video. Thank you so much.